Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the phase locked loop experiment using 565 IC. For this, the 565 IC should take like this, and the circuit arrangements are made like this. Here you should note down plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts. Plus 5 to this connection, minus 5 is grounded, minus 5 to this connection, and plus is grounded. Input you should give, and here VCO output. This is auto generator. By switching off the M of T, you should see what is the VCO which is coming. This should be a square wave, and you should note down the frequency. So that frequency is nothing but it is F0. Okay, so that we will see. Along with that, we will see the capture range and the lock range. We will see two lock range and two capture ranges like this. So F0 capture high, uh, lock high, capture low, lock low. Okay, so here you'll see, and this is the circuit arrangement for this. Okay, we have connected everything, and we will see here. Now you can look at this just by switching on this. The square wave is coming, and note down it is 3.9 approximately frequency. 3.9 frequency is coming here. For that it is F0. So you can consider this F0 as 3.9 in this case. Then after that, here M of T, look at this. This is switched off initially. Now switch on this. Switch on this M of T and see what is the difference we are getting. So here the signal is appearing. So here start varying this. So here start varying the frequency and observe here what is you are getting. So approximately where is the signal which is going to stop. So here this is stopped here at this 1.9 kilohertz frequency. So we can call it as first lock, which is low. Okay, then again start increasing this. I will increase this. When it is increasing, it will come out of that lock. Then again you can see so here I can observe it is 2.1. so it is the first capture range, that is low capture is 2.1 kilohertz. For that it is captured, and again increase this. You can observe our first is 3.9. so below 3.9 we are getting capture low and lock low, that is below 3.9. so above 3.9 we will get the next one. You can observe here. So I will go, I am increasing, but the signals are not locking, neither locking nor capturing. So here, so I should go 3 point, so I came here 3.35. so increase. So look at this, this is a F0 value near 3.9. then later, so increase. So 4.1, that is the first capture range. Then after that again increase this. So you can see for 5.3 or 5.4 it is So try wearing this. So around 7.35 it is locking. So here this is the phase locked loop. So you should note down these waveforms like this. If not, capture high, lock high, then capture low, lock low. Like this, you should take the capture range as well as the lock range from this output. Okay, so I am increasing, I am decreasing. So you can observe meanwhile. So all the four possible combinations will be there. Okay. So thank you. We'll see in the next video about the next update.